Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today I'll show you how can you create WhatsApp business account in simple steps. So for that, you want to make sure you're connected to an internet service and make sure to go ahead and install WhatsApp Business. For that, head over to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in WhatsApp Business and click the open button. Now that you've actually installed it, here you want to go and make sure to mark on the terms and condition, and now you want to go ahead and make sure to use or verify your phone number. So first thing first, make sure to select the country of your residence. Since I'm residing in Nepal, so I have in Nepal. Now here you go ahead and make sure to check or change and click the next button. As soon as you do it, so you'll be taken to this section where you have to confirm your phone number. Make sure to double check it and click the yes button if it's so. Here you have to go ahead and verify your account. So you could select either one of these methods, either automatic call, or you could also go ahead and click on verify another way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this method, so click the continue button and make sure to enable or allow the permission as well. It's just gonna take a couple of minutes, so you just have to be patient enough so that your phone number is verified completely. You could see at the bottom so now the verification has been done. And what next I have to do is I just need to make sure to click on the continue button. Make sure to enable all of these permission and go ahead and look for the information as well. Since I already had my account previously with this particular account, so I have to go ahead and set up a username or the business name. Now here you go ahead and set it up and click the next button. Out here you want to select your business category. Now what are you actually going with? So since I'm going with education, so I'm going to tap the next button. Here you want to let the customer know when you're open and close. Now here you have to go ahead and make sure to select either one of these options and click the next button. As well as you could go ahead and select the hours, customize this as well, and tap the next button. Here you could go ahead and add a profile picture. If you don't want to do it, so you could just click on the skip button from the top right, and then you want to go ahead and add the reason. If you have a website, you could go ahead and paste in the link as well and tap the next button. However, if you don't want to continue these steps, just click the skip button, and you could also go ahead and add a description as well. And now that I've actually done it, and here you go, that my business account has been successfully created. So this is the way you could create a WhatsApp business account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.